No.
Eric, can you hear me?
Yes, perfect. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So this boiler, show, uh, go a little bit. You see
The
the
gauge.
dial? Yeah, the gauge. Okay. Move it a little bit down. What is the pressure there? I want to see the button, the blue arrow, the blue arrow.
The blue arrow.
Yeah. What number does it show to?
It's showing me 60.
No, it shows
No?
you. No,
Hold on. Hold on.
it's
I got it. I'm gonna have to put better lighting down here because this is ridiculous. Sorry.
you the light or what?
Yeah, I'm gonna put the light on it now.
Yeah, you put the light, the camera
50?
go. So
50?
what? No, no. If you put the light, the camera. Okay, sure.
It's
Don't
on
move.
50. It's like one little hairline away from being 50.
That's wrong. That's wrong.
Okay.
You don't have 50.
Because it
No,
says
no, no, no. One second. There is an inner and outer dial. Look at the inner dial, the inside dial.
you're talking about the small one?
Yeah, it's a 60 feet, about 20 pounds you have over there. Okay.
Yeah.
Look at the inside number, not the outer, but inner. Blue inner one. What is that?
It's about 19 right now. No,
19.
no, sorry. 20. It passed the 20 to the next
Yeah,
little line before the 40. It's right in
yeah.
between the blue little line and the 20.
So it's about 20 pounds, 50
About
feet.
22 pounds, 20 pounds, yeah. You turn down
Yeah,
again the boiler.
so we have to add some water over there and charge the expansion tank. How tall is the building? How many floors?
It's 3 floors, but we have a bar on the first floor, one apartment, and then on the second floor, 2 apartments and 2 apartments on the third floor.
Okay, so I see what's going on there. Okay, I see. Do you see any water on the floor
No,
around?
nope,
Right on the floor.
no, no water on the floor, nothing.
Okay, so what I want, 20 psi should be all right. So why the air is getting there? That's interesting thing. Now,
Yeah.
yeah, let me. Could you do a step out a
Right
little bit
now, I
more?
don't know. You can hear the boiler. It's like going
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So
like air.
make a step back. I want to see the whole thing. Actually, where you see the dial, could you show me the pipe after the dial, like to the wall? What is there?
On the right hand side, then you're talking about this die over here on this side. Huh? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Now I can.
Yeah.
Which side you want? The
Show
right
me
side or the left side?
right side, right side. Yeah, show me the dial and follow the pipe away from the boiler. Show me the pipe. I want to see something. No, no, the pipe, the water pipe.
The water pipe?
Yeah, yeah. Show. Do you see? You see, show me the dial. Show me the dial you showed me. No, no. Show me the dial where is the 20 psi. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Now it sits on the pipe. Follow the pipe. Show me the pipe. I want to see what's on the pipe. And
And
the
then it
red
goes
piece.
to a T, and then it
Yeah,
goes that way, and then
yeah.
it goes this way.
Okay, show me the other pipe which comes into the boiler. Another pipe. Go to the left. Over there. Yeah. This pipe. Show me this pipe. This one.
Okay.
Yeah.
It goes from the boiler there like that, and back
Okay.
to the connect here, and
Okay.
then it goes back that way.
Yeah. I
Up
see.
there.
I see your problem. Okay.
Okay.
So what you're missing? It's called the thing called air eliminator. So
Okay.
every time there is like a water feed into the boiler for whatever reason, it
Would that
introduces
be the? Would that be it?
yeah, it introduces some air, and this air gets collected into this radiator. So what you have to
Oh.
do, you have to install. We have to install. It's called the air eliminator. Air eliminator is the piece which removes the air from the water.
Okay. All right.
Uh, I'm gonna send a proposal.
To
Uh,
the to the management company.
yeah, so we will come
Okay.
and whoever installed the boiler, they never installed it, but they should.
Okay.
Okay, so what I ask you to do, is just make like 3 steps back and make like 3-4 pictures of the piping around the boiler, so we can have an idea, what we need to do. Okay,
Okay.
and for now you restored it. We're gonna put the air eliminator, and this is gonna be end of this problem. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much. I'll
So
send you the pictures on your phone.
thank you very much. I appreciate your help. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a blessed day. Thanks. Thanks for your help.
Sure, anytime.
Okay. Bye.